Learn Igbo verb Ebubigago, meaning have carried over, as a verb in sentences. We are going to use this verb Ebubigago in our sentences now. Igbo English. Number 1 sentence says, Ugomma ebubigago ya n'elu ụlọ. Ugomma ebubigago ya n'elu ụlọ, meaning Ugomma has carried it over the roof. Ha ebubigago igbe ha n'Enugwu. Ha ebubigago igbe ha n'Enugwu, meaning they have carried their boxes over to Enugu. Ha ebubigago ha niile n'Enugwu. Ha ebubigago ha niile n'Enugwu, meaning they have carried all of them over to Enugu. Remember here, we use capital letter E to write Enugu because of it is a name of a place. That is why we use capital letter to write the first letter of Enugu. Take note. Secondly, here we have our topic says have carried over, but in our first sentence we wrote has carried over because of Ugomma, a singular noun. Ugomma has this has. Because of Ugomma we put has carried because it is a singular noun. Other ones they are in plural, like they we use have carried. So here, because of Ugomma being a singular noun, we use has carried instead of have carried. Take note. Like and share our videos. Follow for more. Bye.